let's go move some boats today. The trailer is hooked onto the tractor, ready to go get a boat. We have arrived at the marina. I see the first boat is already about to go on the lift. Boat is coming out of the water. We're adjusting pads on the trailer. We've got to open the trailer up for this boat. So I'm pulling ahead while we spread this trailer open so it doesn't put too much pressure on everything. We are on the move here. Got it loaded, and first we've got to go down, make a turn through this parking lot to get turned around, so we're headed out straight. We've got to trim some trees here to get this boat out. It is a beautiful day for moving boats. Very little wind. Temperature's supposed to get up to about 50 degrees today, so that's good as well. I've got Farmer's Daughter at the end of this road blocking traffic for us because this boat is so wide, and after all of the rain we've had, I don't want to get off on the shoulder of the road because we could be stuck there. So I called her in to help us out, at least to block traffic on this road. Let's see if we can make it up this hill without downshifting. I've got a lot of weight, probably pulling 40,000 pounds. Oh no, I guess, no, probably 40,000. All right, I see a few vehicles here at the end waiting for us. Well, maybe one. and she's taking video of us. Okay, now we gotta block this up. All right. We've just about got it blocked up. We want the front a little bit higher than the back. Don't ask me why. I was just told that.
I think that's about as good as we'll get it.
The boat is blocked. We are now pulling the trailer out. This is the biggest boat. This one takes the most time.
To learn more about this boat, the Redeemer, and its purpose, please check out the link below in the description. Thanks.
One boat down, two more to go. All right, when we got here, this boat was already out of the water and cleaned up, waiting for us. There's a lot happening here today. These guys over here are taking their engines out of that boat so they can rework them. I think there's two of them in there they're taking out today. Okay, I thought they had the first one out already, but no, they had to go get some more tools. I think he said he's got one of them unbolted, so they may be ready to lift this thing out of there now. Let's see what's going on over here. All right, we had a little problem with this boat. Strap was in the wrong position. So it was screwing up one of our pads, so they had to reposition the strap to get the pad set right. I think we just about got her now. Over here, they're working on this first engine. They've got that motor pulled. They've got the first one off of there, or out of there. Number 2 is on the move. Let's get her done. Yep, I have found a little bit of mud today coming in this driveway right here. It's just darn muddy, so we've slipped off the driveway with both boats now, falling in that same hole each time. I've got to do better on this last boat. I guess I'm going to have to get a broom and sweep that up, or else I'm going to get fired and I won't be asked to come back and do this again.
Okay.
Boat number 2 is in the barn. Off to get boat number 3. And this one was on the lift waiting for us when we got here. All washed up. And they finally got the second one out of there. That one gave them a bit of a problem, but it's out of there now. What I have learned about these two motors coming out of this boat is that they are John Deere motors with about 23,000 hours on them. Wow, that's a lot of hours for a motor, at least in my opinion. But yep, John Deere engines, 23,000 hours. It's a busy day at the marina today. Another boat just pulled in here, ready to be pulled out. I know the guy that owns this boat. He's a regular customer at the hardware store. But the lift isn't available yet. We're still dealing with this boat, trying to get all the pads right. We've got one pad there that is in the way of the strap, or the strap is in the way of the pad. I don't know which one. We're gonna move that one. There we go. Let's move that one up. Up or back? What are we doing with it? That ain't gonna be enough. Come back. There we go. I think we can clear that strap now. This boat's sitting a little cockeyed. They're gonna have to straighten it up a little bit. Sometimes it's the smallest ones that give you the problem. All right, we may have it now. Okay, they've leveled it out. I think we just, oh. Slid to the right a little bit. Sometimes when you get too many hands in there doing stuff and giving directions, it gets to be too much. So I've learned just to kind of stand back here and watch. Every now and then I'll throw my 2.5 cents worth in. No, I guess with inflation now it's 3 cents worth. Moving it ahead a little bit now. All right. I think he's ready to drop it. We're not quite sitting on there all the way on this side, on the left side. And we're just not quite centered. Okay, I wasn't quite centered when I backed that trailer in, so they're going to lift the back end up and try to shove it over a little bit. But I don't know if they're going to be able to do it. Yep, there they go. Yep. All right. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, much better. I think we're just about ready to roll. We gotta pull this strap out on the trailer, pull it over to this side and strap it to keep that trailer kind of held together. So they're gonna pull the straps out on the lift, and then we can let our other strap out here. And we are pulling out from the lift here, ready to take this boat and park it in the barn. in the barn. This year a little bit different. All three went in that building. Normally it's just been two and then one in another building, but we put all three of them in that building, so that means I've got to put the trailer elsewhere to park it. That's a wrap. I think tomorrow's job is putting on snowplows based on the forecast that I'm seeing and hearing about for next week. So until tomorrow, I'm gonna say see ya.